In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring event in Google Calendar using Google Workspace for business. Let's dive right in and make organizing your schedule a breeze. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Google Calendar and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results. Look for the link that says Google Calendar, easier time management, appointments, and click on it. This will take you directly to Google Calendar. If you're not already signed in to your Google Workspace account, make sure to do so to access your calendar. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, it's time to choose the day for your recurring event. Click on the date you'd like your event to start. This will bring up a small window where you can begin setting up your event details. Start by giving your event a name, something that clearly indicates what the event is about so you can easily recognize it later. Next, click on the More Options button to open a more detailed menu. This is where you'll be able to customize your event settings. Among these options, you'll find a section that currently says Does Not Repeat. This is where you can set the frequency of your recurring event. Click on this option, and a drop-down menu will appear featuring options like daily, weekly, monthly, and annually. For this example, we'll choose daily, but feel free to select whichever frequency suits your needs best. Once you've set the recurrence, the next step is to choose a location for your event. This could be a physical address if it's an in-person meeting or simply an online link if it's a virtual event. Adding a location helps keep everything in one place and makes it easy for participants to find where they need to be. With all your details in place, the final step is to click the Save button. This will save your event and ensure that it appears on your calendar. Now, when you return to your calendar view, you'll see the event you've created, repeating according to the schedule you specified. Notice how easy it becomes to manage multiple occurrences of the same meeting with just a few clicks, alleviating the need for repeated manual entries. There you have it. A simple yet effective way to manage your time using Google Calendar's recurring event feature. I hope this guide helps make your scheduling process more efficient so you can focus on what truly matters. Thanks for following along, and until next time, happy scheduling.